In this video, I'll show you how to fix in Instagram. You cannot interact with certain account right now. Problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your Instagram app's latest version. From here, you make sure your Instagram apps is updated. If your Instagram apps is not updated, then update your Instagram app's latest version. It helps to fix Instagram you cannot interact with certain account right now problem. Step 2. Clear cache data on Instagram. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Tap on storage. Click on clear data. Click on clear cache. Step 3. Open your Instagram apps. Tap on profile picture. Tap on horizontal line. Scroll down. Tap on account status. Check your account status. Violent of community guideline issues. Step 4. Your Instagram apps switch to professional account. Wait for 24 or 48 hours. Most restrictions are temporary. Step 5. Report a problem. Tap on help. Tap on report a problem. Tap on report. Click include and continue. Briefly explain what happened or not working problem. Briefly explain your problem and send Instagram support team. From here, follow all of the steps to fix Instagram you cannot interact with certain account right now problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.